Hey everyone, this is Yaswanth. Welcome to Yaswanth IT. If you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Operators. Operator is a symbol which tells to the compiler to perform some operation. Okay, some operation. We are telling to compiler to do some operation with symbol. Different symbol. Every symbol performs some operation. Okay. Java provides a rich set of operators to deal with various types of operations. Okay. We have whenever we need to arithmetic operations, whenever we want to edit to sum of two numbers, we are using plus operator. Plus defines as addition. Okay, this this arithmetic plus operator will perform two types of operations. Whenever we give two inputs as an integer, it will perform arithmetic operation, sum of two numbers. But whenever we give two strings, it will perform concatenation operator. It will change change that behavior into concatenation. Okay, it will change that behavior into concatenation. We have different types of operators. Java Java operators can be divided into following categories. Okay, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and conditional operator. Conditional operator means ternary operator. Okay, let's see what is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations like subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, these are arithmetic operations. And we can also perform increment or decrement. Okay, first of all, what is addition? It adds two operands. That means to add two numbers, we are using plus operator. Okay, minus second operator from first. That means it will sub it will subtract from first operator. Okay, first operand. It will subtract second operand from first operand. What is operand? A variable which contains a value. Okay, multiply to operand or divide numerator by denominator. And this is not a percentage. This is modulo. In programming language, it will represent as modulo. That means it will print remainder of two operands. Okay, it will print remainder of two operands. And this double plus indicates increment operator. This minus minus indicates decrement operator. It will this plus increment operator increases integer value by 1. Okay, 1 plus 1. This decrement operator will decrease integer value by 1. That means minus 1. Okay, then see one example on arithmetic operations. Let's open IDE. Uh, let's create one package. Create one new package. Operations. Okay. In this package, I am creating one class. That means one Java file. I am giving it name it as arithmetic demo. Okay. Here I am creating main method. In this main method, I am taking two integers. Okay. By declaring int variable, int data type, I am creating two variables. First, first variable name is A, and I am giving value as 20. And second variable name is B, and I am giving value as 30. Okay. If you want to perform any operation on a variable, we need to initialize that variable. Okay, we need to initialize a value for that variable. Here I am performing an arithmetic operation. You see here I am performing addition. Okay, I am directly giving A plus B. Okay, next I am performing subtraction. A minus B. Then I am performing multiplication by using star. Okay, star will perform multiplication. Then I am dividing A is the numerator and B is denominator. A by B. Okay. Then see here we are going to print remainder of the two variables. For that we need to take modulo operator. System dot out dot println A modulo B. That means it will print remainder. Okay. Let's save this program and run as Java application. So okay. See here we are getting output 50. When we perform addition, 20 plus 30 equal to 15. When we perform subtraction, A minus B, that means 20 minus 30, we are getting minus 10. Okay. When we perform multiplication, we are getting 600. That means here 20 into 30, 600. Why we are getting here 0? Whenever we perform a division, because it will give a decimal value. That means a double value. So for that, I am initializing data type as double, and my variable name is C, and I am performing division here. Perform A by B. Then here I am printing C here. Press save it and execute it. See here 0.0. Okay. We are getting a decimal value. Okay. Later see here this modulo will return remainder. Okay. Will print remainder. See here 20. 20 is remainder. Okay, this type we are using arithmetic operators in our program. And let's see here what is increment and what is decrement operator. Increment operator and decrement operators. Increment operator plus plus, it is represented as increment operator, and minus minus is determined as decrement operator. It will increment and it will decrement value by plus 1 or minus 1. Okay. Let's see post increment. What is post increment? It will increment the value which is used to first, and later it will increment value by plus 1. Okay. Let's see. See here I am giving multiple line comment. Okay. These lines of code will not execute by our compiler. Okay. That's why I'm giving comment, multiple line comment. Okay. Let's see what is post increment. See here I am giving A. What is my A value? Is 20. I am printing, first I am printing A value. Later I am incrementing A value plus 1. Okay. A plus plus. I am using increment operator, post increment operator. Let's see, print A value once again. See the output. I am initialize A value as 20, but we are getting 21 after increment. Okay, it will increment our value by plus 1. Okay, this is post increment. After that value, we are incrementing that variable value. Okay, let's see what is pre-increment. Okay, what is pre-increment? Before increment. Okay, remove these lines, and see here I am giving pre-increment plus plus A. It will represent as pre-increment. Increment value plus 1 before it will print. Okay, sys out. I am printing A once again. See here, as usual, we are getting same output, but it will increment plus 1. Okay, it will increment plus 1. We will completely understand these post increment or pre increment or post decrement or pre decrement in our looping statements. Okay, let's see post decrement. Let's go to post decrement. Value is first used for computing the result and then decremented. Okay, first we are printing b, then we are post decrement. That means b minus minus. After value, after variable, these represented as post. Before variable, those represented as pre. Okay, I am decrementing b value as minus 1. Let's print it, save and execute it. See, our b value is decremented by minus 1. And let's see what is pre-decrement. Okay, before variable, we will represent as pre-decrement. Okay, let's print this. Same we are getting, same output we are getting. To see difference, we can see here. Let's see example on post and pre-decrement, post and pre-increment. Okay, here I'm initializing one more variable. Here int c equal to, I am incrementing a value, a plus plus, and I am adding b value also, plus b. Get what output we will get. Let's print c value. Let's think what value we will get. Same, 20 plus 30, we will get 50. Okay, after this we will get a value as this a will increment plus 1 and this b will same. Okay, let's see. See here, we are getting output as 50. Let's print here. I am printing a variable. See here, I am printing a value. See what is the current value of a is 21, because after this operation it will increment this a value into plus 1. Okay, 20 plus 1. If we once again see here, I am performing once again this. Yeah, here I am not incrementing a plus b. Here I am printing c once more. See here, you can observe what is the difference. See here, first time we are getting 50 and second time we are getting 51. Why? Because after this a, I am telling compiler increment the a value plus 1. Okay, after this operation, this a value will increment plus 1. Now a contains plus 1. Okay, so here first time we are getting 50 and second time we are getting 51. These pre-increment. Let's see pre-increment. Here I am giving plus plus a plus b. Okay, I am printing c. Save this and run this. See here we are getting 51 because this a value will increment plus by 1 before this operation will perform. Okay, that's why we are getting this output. Now let's see uh, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Here I am giving a minus minus. That means post-decrement. After this operation, it will decrement a value by minus 1. Okay, let's save this and run this. So here we are getting 50. After this print a value, you will see difference. Save this and run this. See here we are getting a value as 19 because after this operation a value is decremented by minus 1. Okay, understand? Here I am doing operation once again without decrementing. C equal to A plus B. Here I am printing C. Control S. See here we are getting 49 as output because our A value is decremented by -1 after this operation. So our current A value is 19 because 20 minus 1 after this operation our value is decremented by -1. Okay. So that's why the A value contains 19. Okay. This is post decrement. Let's see pre-decrement. Here I am giving minus minus A. This is pre-decrement. This is pre-decrement. Save this and run this. See here we are getting 49. Why? Before this operation, this addition operation, our A value is decremented by -1. So our A value is 20 and we will decrement it by -1. That means A value is now, present A value is 19. That's why 19 plus 30, 49. Okay. This is post increment, pre-increment, post decrement, and pre-decrement. If you don't understand, please refer this video. Okay. And see here facts about increment and decrement operators can only be applied to variables only. These apply only variables only. Okay. Nesting of both operators is not allowed. That means when we give our post decrement and post increment in one operation, it will give ambiguous. Okay. It will give ambiguity problem. So that's why it is not recommended to use both operators in one single operation. Okay. They are not operated over final variables. We cannot we cannot use increment or decrement operators for final variables. Okay. When we declare, see here, I am declaring final int. That means we cannot see here we are getting error. Final modifier of A. Okay. That means when we declare final variable for that value, we cannot perform our increment and decrement operations on that final variable. Okay. We can declare a variable by use final variable by using final keyword. Okay. Increment and decrement operators cannot be applied to Boolean. These increment and decrement operators we cannot use in Boolean data type. Boolean data type value variable. Okay.